What's up guys? We are ready for the big winter stunt trip to Spain. But before we do that, let's go pick up my brand new restyled van. Let's go! Let's go check out where it is. Oh man!
Shit. This is a good looking van, man.
That's not the good looking, that's the best. That's, yeah! That's a rock-on van, Dominic. Swipe the camera, swipe. This is amazing, man. This graphics is mind-blowing. Thank you, Sights Master, man. That's the designer. You make an amazing graphic. And also marking, they wrapped my van. Finally, it's not only my bike, but also my van in the style of Rock-On 2018. And we are ready for the season now.
I have idea.
What?
Let's go make some van porn.
Let's do it. The van is freaking pimped, finally, man. Woo-hoo.
Looks cool.
Yeah, check this, Dominic. Matte black color with my pattern and some glossy orange color, man. It's just the effect is really amazing. Maybe you don't see it on the camera, but live it looks amazing.
Crazy, crazy.
Dominic, we are freaking ready for the season, man, now with the new van, huh?
I'm ready anytime with this bad boy.
Man, this graphic is amazing. The backside, I freaking love it. I love it,
But
man.
wait. Why do you put this sticker on?
That's just a small detail for all the people that always ask me, Rock, what is your best trick, man? And I have enough of this question. Here's my answer. My best trick is your mom, man. Anyway.
Okay, if you want to do my mom, that's bad for you.
No, thank you. Anyway, we are ready now to hit the road to go to Verona. And why? Because there is the first competition of the season and I want to meet, after a long time, my stunt family to get some motivation for our winter stunt trip. And yeah, so let's go hit the road and see some cool tricks.
Let's go.
We are already in Verona on the stunt competition, so let's support my stunters, my friend Edo Rodriguez from Valencia, and let's get some motivation for our stunt trip.
Bravo. Quattro, tre, due, uno.
Rafael, official world champ of stunt riding, the legend. Rafael, why are you not competing, man?
Because I'm retired. I'm just kidding.
Just kidding. I don't like this joke, man.
I mean, I got a break right now because I had some injuries. So I need to take it easy, and it's always a great opportunity to just to be a judge and see other riders riding. Yeah,
to get some motivation.
Hell yeah,
and it's inspiration.
Definitely.
Grande Verona che lo saluta con un grande applauso.
Respect, man.
Thank you.
My eyes were here. on the middle. I was like, what how is this possible, man? You gave me so much motivation. What I like, it's not always the hardest trick, but how you connect.
Yeah.
Fuck, really
That's the
respect.
cool thing with the competition.
Yeah.
You got to make your own choreography,
Yeah.
like exactly like you want to.
What would you say to my fans? What is the most important if you go to competition?
Competition for me is 70% mental and 30% physical.
Okay.
Bike performance.
So it's more about the head, not about the performance.
Yeah.
Which I understand. My first competition, I was only stressed and I did all the possible mistakes what you can do. So head is the most important.
Yeah.
Do you have some advice how to focus, how to make some exercises?
Of course, you need to come here prepared. You
Yeah.
don't come here to train, or you come here to make your run. You come and you're ready to go.
So you do the homework at home,
Yeah.
and then you show what you can do.
Yeah, this is payday.
Okay, this is payday. So guys, if you go to competition, prepare at home. Here's the payday. Rock and roll.
Rock on.
Crashing is the part of the stunt game, right, Edu? Yeah. What was the problem yesterday? Why you crashed, man?
Honestly, the problem was the floor. You know, sometimes we go to compete to some places that the floor is not so good.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize that it was a hole in the middle of
A
the
hole.
Yeah, a
So
hole.
the bike.
Yeah, I was with my bike braking in the wheelie.
Okay.
And I take the hole and I can do nothing about it.
The bike was brand new yesterday. Today it looks like a stunt bike. You don't give up, right?
Yeah, for sure. I just fixed the bike and I hope to make a good round for sure.
Okay,
That's why I'm
let's
here.
do this, man.
Hey,
That's
good
real-
luck.
Good luck,
Thank you,
Edu.
man.
Rock and roll, man. Enjoy the winning run of Mike Jensen. Mind-blowing winning run.
This is not the dude in the car.
All the riders are still alive.
Let's show some crashes, okay?
Let's also. You have some crashes?
Of course.
Okay, let's show some crashes. Lunch is done. We are full again. Long day behind us, but exciting day. So now it's a prize giving. So we're gonna see who is the second and who is the third. And yeah, so let's
Tell
go.
us why you don't compete.
Why I don't compete, man? Two reasons. First one, in European competitions they don't have a low class for small CC bikes. For example, I cannot compete with my 200 Duke, and the big class, my 690 Duke, doesn't fit really to this big class. That's the reason I don't compete for now. But KTM just brought out the 790 Duke with 2 cylinders. Maybe this is gonna be the bike for the future. Let's see.
Tra pochissimo continueremo. Per quanto riguarda
Motivation overload. Competition is over. The stunters killed it, man. A lot of new tricks, man. I don't have words. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the kind of a different vlog again with some stunt riding information, so you see how the stunt competitions are working. And that's it. We need to continue our trip to Valencia, so let's hit the road. See you soon. Until then, rock on.